In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Mifo S noise canceling earbuds. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. We have some pretty cool earbuds out here. Shout out to Mifo for actually sending them out. If you guys do want to purchase these, I will leave an affiliate link in the description down below. Also their website, if there isn't an Amazon link, I'll leave below so you guys can go ahead and pick these up if you want to go ahead and do so. So first and foremost, I've actually been using these earbuds for almost 2 weeks now, so I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an unboxing experience, but I have been going in deep with these. I actually just started working out again, I know, but you know, gotta get healthy and all that. So I believe these are documents and stuff right here. Let's go ahead and open this up. As you guys can see, we have our operations guide, and we have it, I believe this is Chinese, and then we have English on the other side, which I think this is a really cool way of giving you an instruction guide. It shows you the functions and the touch controls right here to go ahead and, you know, answer calls and play music and stuff like that. These also have a transparency mode for anybody that is in the wilderness. I feel like people would like to use those. I'm pretty sure that's why they put sports and outdoor on it, is because you guys are going to be able to use this in public and be able to know your surroundings, and that's definitely going to be a very useful feature, especially in this day and age. But we're gonna go ahead and take a look deeper in here. I've been using the Type-C cable on my other phone charger for this, so I haven't utilized this yet, but we have the same little theme of the earbuds that we have right here. We have that lime green and that black, which I think is always a good color combination. I think that always looks nice. And as you guys can see, we have some earbud tips inside of here as well. So if you guys have bigger ears or smaller ears, you may need to go ahead and switch out the earbud tips right there on your set of earbuds, so you can have the ones that are most comfortable for you. And of course, we have our earbuds right here, and let's go ahead and take a look at those. I love the mechanism that they have on this as well. I think it's one of the cooler mechanisms. Also, this case, or this shell I guess you would call it, is completely metal. So this is going to feel extremely premium. This feels way more premium than the Apple AirPods or the Google Buds cases, all metal. And if you guys look inside as well, I thought this was really cool. We got our earbuds obviously, but we also have a light right there in the middle that actually shows you what your battery life is on. So I thought that was really cool. Also, we have some information right here. It says open the cover, 3 seconds later take the earphones out, and it shows you how to reset, and I thought I'd just keep that there for the video, but finally I get to take that off. Awesome. So some things about these earbuds. First and foremost, they have a hook mechanism on there, so it's actually going to be a really useful tool with that hook mechanism. And this is the biggest reason why I think this is branded as a sports and outdoors earbud, is that we have that hook mechanism. So when you put this inside of your ear, it's very hard for it to get out. So just keep in mind that this is going to be extremely hard for this to get outside of your ear. Now, my listening experience on these so far has been really good, honestly. I feel like these are definitely some of the better bass boosted earphones or earbuds. You get a lot of bass, and even turning up the volume all the way on these earbuds, the bass does not distort at all whatsoever, so I'm really thankful for that. So if you guys aren't really into bass that much, these may not be the earbuds for you, but I'm really into bass, like hip hop, like a lot of techno and certain things like that that have bass. So when you get a workout in, these are going to be really nice if you like that bass. Also, backside of the case, we have our Type-C input, so we can go ahead and charge the entire case. And I believe we have up to 40 hours of battery life on this case and the earbuds, so really long lasting battery on these earbuds. Another pretty cool thing is this has 6 noise canceling mics. We have 3 in each earbud, as you guys can see right there, and they work really well in unison with the transparency mode. So if you guys want to go ahead and turn up the volume or pause it as well, we have some controls. So just tapping the earbud is obviously going to pause or play, and obviously we can do other things like skip songs by double tapping and things like that. But really nice that we have that feature on here, same as the Google Earbuds and pretty much same as the Apple AirPods as well. So nice that they have this feature on here. I really do like that. We also have IP67 water and dust resistance. So if you guys are in the rain or you guys are in conditions that are a little bit dusty or, you know, wet or whatever, these are going to survive since they are IP67 rated. So that's nice to see that on here. But I feel for around 120 up to 150, depending where you get these from, I think that is a pretty reasonable price. I've seen some places where you can get these for $100. So honestly, pretty good pricing on these considering what they have inside of here. We got the IP67 water and dust resistant or waterproof, 40 hours of battery life on these. We have a premium metal shell around it, obviously 6 noise canceling mics as well in here. We got some pretty nice touch keys on these as well, and obviously we have our earbud tips that we can actually change out on here. So for the price tag, I feel like this is a pretty decent bang for your buck. One little warning I do guys want to give you is that if you use this with an Apple device, it is going to have some latency. I don't think it's really that noticeable, but there is latency, and that's because Apple does not like third-party devices on their operating systems. They only like Apple stuff for some reason. But as far as Android goes, this is going to work perfectly with any Android or Windows device. So really good stuff. I could definitely recommend these so far. I thought this case was a really cool design as well. I think you guys are going to enjoy these. So let me know if you guys have picked these up or have used anything from Mifo before. And let me know in the comment section down below how you guys feel about these. But this has been Safan from TechRight. Hopefully this video helped you out. Peace out, Tech Gang.